Espresso is the perfect pick-me-up for any coffee lover. But with so many espresso machines on the market, it can be tough to decide which one is right for you. Luckily, we've done the research and created a list of the top 5 espresso machines for your home. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or just getting started, there's an espresso machine on this list that's perfect for you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy a cup of espresso made with one of these top-of-the-line machines. I'll be going over the features of each machine and why I think they're the best on the market. Starting with number 5, we have the Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Machine. This machine is great for beginners because it's easy to use and doesn't require a lot of maintenance. It also has a built-in milk frother, so you can make lattes and cappuccinos with ease. At number 4, we have the Breville Barista Express. This machine is perfect for those who want to take their espresso making to the next level. It has a bed temperature control system that ensures each shot's extraction is perfect. It also has a pre-infusion feature that allows you to evenly distribute the coffee grounds before brewing. Moving on to number 3, we have the DeLonghi Dedica. This machine is a great all-rounder. It's affordable, easy to use, and produces great tasting espresso. It also has a steaming wand so you can froth milk for lattes and cappuccinos. At number 2, we have the Nespresso Inissia. This machine is perfect for those who want convenience and quality. It's easy to use, and produces great tasting espresso with just the push of a button. And finally, at number 1, we have the Rancilio Silvia. This machine is the Rolls-Royce of espresso machines. It's made with high-quality materials, and produces perfect espresso shots every time. It also has a steaming wand so you can froth milk for lattes and cappuccinos. So there you have it, our top 5 espresso machines for the home. Make sure you check the product links in the description below for updated prices and more information. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.